Now,
Hello, welcome to Kathy's Corner. I am doing my unboxing of some fine porcelain china I ordered.
all right, here's the first one.
Yeah, here's the first one.
And by the way, I'm coming over next month to help her clean again.
I take this stuff out very slowly and carefully. And I'm probably going to have to wrap it back up because I don't know when I will be using it.
You could just put it in the cabinets.
Yeah, probably.
I put it near the camera. So no, not over there. Over this way. Okay, turn it around. Okay, all right. There's the first one. Put that down.
Okay, the second one is the same.
Show them anyway. All right, go on.
All right.
Just leave that on there for now. Open the other one up.
Okay. And this is the second teacup.
God, you got to check everything to make sure nothing broke.
Oh, yeah. So this is...
Not out of the camera. Okay, turn it around, not over. You don't need to turn it over, just turn it around. Okay, that's fine, thank you. All right, say goodbye, Kathy. We'll do a new next video.
Oh, goodbye, Kathy.